Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price. Features also include keyless ignition, rear view camera, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Make a great choice today with the 2019 Santa Fe. Style, quality, performance, value. Need we say more? This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, FWD, headlights auto off, mirror memory, security system, cruise control, trip computer. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.